Okay, so we are planning a study abroad trip to Costa Rica, focusing on providing a rich educational experience to graduate students. We're planning this trip for 2 weeks of May 2021, provided that it's safe to travel again. I'm Casey Turro, the project manager, and our team consists of Lexi Bodenheimer, working on our hotel and travel accommodations, Steve Flora, our cultural activity planner, Lyndi Jenkins, our marketing and student coordination planner, and Ashley Cook, our educational liaison. We would like to recruit students for our trip studying in the Walker College of Business with a passion for learning about the manufacturing industry in Costa Rica and the effects it can have on wildlife.
Okay, so my name is Lyndi and I'm focusing on the SMART goals. So our initial goal is to educate the Walker College of Business graduate students about the manufacturing industry in Costa Rica and the effects it can have on the wildlife. And the SMART goal is that we aim to provide a rich educational experience to our graduate students with a variety of cultural activities and opportunities in Costa Rica. We want them to understand how industries can be harmful, can harm wildlife and our environment. When our students leave Appalachian State, they will be prepared to be productive contributors to the professional world, knowledgeable about providing a more sustainable future for all.
Okay, so my name's Lexi, and I'm going to be talking about the product tree framework. So our roots are going to be Wildlife Foundation, funding/budgeting, interest from professors and students, university approval, and then our base is going to be wildlife volunteer activities, hiking exploration, cultural education, and then our branches are going to be physical activities, advertising on campus, cultural activities, educational experiences, hotel and travel. And then the thoughts that we haven't gotten to yet in our basket are extensive travel details, application details, prospective activities, and places to visit, which we'll talk about next meeting.
And my name is Ashley Cook, and I'll be talking about the assumptions and the risk. The assumptions are that all activities and partnerships created for the trip will be carried out as originally planned. There are no disease outbreaks or other crises in Costa Rica. The traffic and flights have been normally operating, and some risks are a possibility of a hurricane or severe weather conditions, a global pandemic that traps the students onto the island, a student injury or disappearance.
We hope to continue planning our study abroad trip for Walker College of Business students in the following weeks. Our priority will be to educate students on the effects of manufacturing on the wildlife, focusing on sustainability, which is part of the Appalachian State experience.